Saan na tayo? Network reconnaissance and discovery. Traceroute, traceroute is used on Linux system, used to show how a host connects to remote hosts or systems on the network. It also displays the path and time to communication takes to reaching remote host. NSLOOKUP dig. NSLOOKUP command is used to query DNS records using Windows device. It's used to query the individual DNS records. For all DNS records of the domain can be used to gather more information. ipconfig or ifconfig. The ipconfig command is used to obtain information about the host. The command shows the IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS server information in configuration. The Linux equivalent for ipconfig is ifconfig. Nmap is an open source scanner used to scan hosts for vulnerabilities and open ports. Used to fingerprint remote hosts to determine the operating system they run, which may reveal vulnerabilities that can be exploited. Ping command can be used across platforms and use ICMP or Internet Control Message Protocol to communicate with hosts. It is used to check if remote host reachable on the network. Command can be used on Windows device to determine more detailed information on the network statistics. For example, it takes to communicate to specific routers in the network. HPing is similar to ping, uses TCP/IP packets to check connectivity using Linux devices. Netcat is a network troubleshooting tool used to identify networks and scan for open ports. Works on UDP or TCP, can be used to initiate a connection for ports. Task 1. Host discovery using Linux commands. Gathering information techniques and is carried out at the beginning of network reconnaissance. Carried out using different network assessment tools like Nmap, Netstat, and traceroute. Traceroute, etc. Next, connect to the PLAB Kali. Root password. Open terminal. ifconfig. In the terminal window, type the following command and press enter. Nmap S5 S 168 766 0 0 16. There you go. Next, take practicelabs.com. New practicelabs 11 5.45 practicelabs.com. 9216801. Take a screenshot. exercise to information gathering. Different components of the network is essential to ensure the security of it. Different types of information gathering tools are available for cybersecurity professionals that include information about the network. IP scanners, tools that scan for IP addresses and other information that's devices on the network. ARP, used to display address resolution table on a host. The address resolution table is used by the host to store information on other hosts on the network. Information can be used to determine if there are any unauthorized hosts connected to the network. Command is used for transferring data over networks using specific protocols, example HTTP, HTTPS, FTP. Commands can be used without user intervention and is ideal when used in shell scripting. It is specifically used on Linux devices. Penetration testers is a tool for printing of network infrastructure, gather information, emails, subdomains, host, employee names, and open ports. Sniper, automated scanner used during the penetration test and memory to scan for network vulnerabilities. Automate the process of collecting data exploration using Sniper. Scanless, automated port scan scrapper. A command line utility for your vulnerability exploitation and also performs an open port scan. DNC DNS Enum. This tool is used for DNS enumeration to discover IP blocks. DNS enumeration is process of collecting DNS information of a specific company, which can be used to evaluate company security. Cuckoo, malware analysis tool, provides the following details as the result of the analysis. Native stack functions, Windows API, call stack. Copies created fast and removed from the file system. Memory dump process, full memory dump target machine. Screenshots of the desktop during the overall execution of the malware analysis. Network dump created by the machine used for the analysis. Okay, run. Then the CMD, and then ARP, and typically clear. Clear DNS enum enum practicelabs.com. Terminal window. Type type the following. Press enter. Ping C4 192.168.0. Oh, I need to clear. Clear. C4 192.168.0.1. Okay. File manipulation. The system provides several commands that progress for file operation manipulation to ensure the integrity of file. Cybersecurity professionals need to view the change files. Hit command will display the first 10 lines of a file if no additional parameters specified. To display magic specific numbers of lines in a file, the end parameter can be used to display the specified number of lines from the beginning of the file. Tail last 10 lines of any file. Display the last 10 lines. Cat command various uses ranging display the content. grep Linux command line tool uses search string of characters. chmod is a Linux operating system to change permission of files. Loggers allows adding messages to the var. Logs uses log file from the file other files. As one operation manipulation. Kaya natin to. Kaya natin to. ls 1 mali. ls 1 ba yan? Papel. Documents. Chat. Documents. Text. Message file or directory. Cat. Documents. Text. Okay. That's file for demonstration. In terminal window, enter the following command and press enter. 5. Documents. Text. 3. Line 4. IT profile. ls test. Okay. It terminal window type the following gmod ano talaga yan na documents documents Ba't ayaw? Test. Exercise 4. Shell and script environment. Ah, SSH protocol used to secure remote network communications. PowerShell back automation and configuration management framework. Python scripting language can use to access the Linux system. OpenSSL cryptographic library that provides open source implementation, secure lock sockets layer, transport layer security. Then yun natin. Then, um, lagyan natin sa puti. Pari. Lagyan natin. Pari. Configuration 192.168.0.4. Hit open. Click open. Click accept. Copy login screen. Login as. Tagal pa na. Ano, edit ko na lang to kasi mabagal yung net ko eh. Check ko man. Ayusin ko.